Hello, and welcome to another video. Well, I can't believe it. It's that time again. We're going to be unboxing some silver today. I cannot wait. It's some really amazing stuff, and I can't wait to show you them. So it should be arriving soon, and, well, I'll go pick it up when it does. Well, it's here, guys. Here's this amazing parcel again, and let's go check it out. Alright, so we're back here again, and we have the delivery. So, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so let's get straight into it. I got the parcel here, so we are just going to cut right into it and see what we're met with. So this was express post, and excellent. And so what we have here is the parcel. Now in this delivery, we have some 2020 Australian silver 1 ounce Kookaburras. So I'm just going to get straight into that here. Lots of bubble wrap. Got to be very careful with these because I do not want to break them. Very carefully getting into these. These are some really nice looking coins. And I did grab a few of them because I'm just so happy with how they look. Excellent. So here we have them. Here are these beautiful coins. I've grabbed 5 of them. Seems that they've kept them in the sort of tube, but we'll turn the camera around and so we can get a better look at them. So we've separated one out of the pack here today. So we're going to be having a look at the Australian Perth Mint 2020 30th anniversary Kookaburra. So as we can see, it is 1 ounce of 4/9 fine silver, which the Perth Mint started doing this year. Oh no, it might have been a year or two ago. Still new to this, and so we have the Australian Kookaburra here. So it is sitting on what looks like a corrugated shed. Really beautiful design with the sun and everything, and we even have the 30th anniversary mark. And you can also see there is a small P representing the Perth Mint. Now this is where it gets really special. Usually most Australian minted coins will have Her Majesty on the whole of the back, but this one is to represent the 30th anniversary. So we are met with the 1990 design for the Australian Perth Mint Kookaburra. So we have the usual Elizabeth II $1 Australian, but we are represented with the 1990 to 2020. So that's a really nice move towards the 30th anniversary, and also a very beautiful design there from the 1990. They did use this design for, I believe, the first couple of years, and then ever since then they changed them each year. So honestly, a really beautiful coin here, and I grabbed 5 ounces of it, so that's 5 coins. And I'm really happy with this. So these are my first ever Australian silver coins, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. Honestly, absolutely extraordinary coins there. I'll just give you guys a look without me holding it. So I don't know what you guys think of them, but I believe that these are a really amazing looking coin. I'm glad I have a couple of them because they are honestly marvelous. I did get these for a pretty good price. They were about $10 over spot, so these came in at about 33 Australian dollars, which would be around the 23 mark in the 23 mark in American dollars. But honestly, just one last look there. Really spectacular coin, and I think that's it for this video. So I'm really happy with those coins, and if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, check out some of my other videos. I do have a recent other unboxing, so I hope you'll check that out. Until next time, goodbye.